Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I'm going to pour on a 12 by 12 inch Arteza canvas panel. They're actually pretty good quality and they don't do much warping if you don't load them up with too much paint. I just did a wave pour and I really loved the color combination, and I thought, well, I'm going to do a dirty pour. I've just got to, because I have to use these colors up and I want to make something really gorgeous. So I've got, this one is, these are Deco Art colors, Metallics Ice Blue, Calypso Blue, Sea Breeze, Teal Mint. I've got a self-mixed navy. Got some vintage brass, some copper, some Renaissance brown, a golden pearl color, pearl, which is all, those are all metallics. Of course, some white. And I think I'll do a dirty pour. So I think I'll start with a little white on the bottom. And for a 12-inch canvas, I need maybe 4 ounces of paint tops. So I'm just going to try to use up my colors here. These also are mixed 1-to-1 ratio with Oatrol Easy Flow. Then I added a little bit of water, and then I added a drop of OGX coconut milk hair serum, the anti-breakage. This has dimethicone in it, so it has to be that specific product. Here is the Oatrol Easy Flow. Right there. It's like Floetrol in America, but it's a European company. And I think I'll squeeze a little bit of white around the outskirts of it. I've got some areas that had paint on it, but I'm not going to really worry about that. With the being a canvas panel, you don't have to worry about sides, which is always nice. I'm also going to take a pin and poke some holes. That releases the air. And then the cup just floats on its own. All those beautiful colors. There's silicone in the squeeze bottles and there was OGX in the cups, so between the two of them you're going to have smaller cells. I could also do a heat torch just to pop bubbles, but I don't really need it for cells, I can tell you that. I'm basically going to just try to get it as close to the edge as I can without going over quite yet, except for I did right there just now. I'll just let it go ahead and flow over. Why not? Put the paint here just to help this go over this corner. Make it slide a little easier maybe. Or not so much. Okay. So I got all the edges. With the canvas panel, that's the cool part, is you don't have to worry about sides. So it's nothing stands out like strongly, but it's a beautiful overall color combination. So I'm not going to I don't think I'm going to manipulate it at all. Got some drips going on my arm. I think I'm going to leave this one. Go put it away. I'm going to do one more cup. I've got colors in here in the cup already. So I'm going to go with the really deep navy. The rest of the metallic blue. The emerald green color. Well, it's called teal mint. The calypso blue. Maybe a shot of the bronze and gold. Swish through a few times. This is a piece of cardboard, like cardstock. I just wanted to finish up this cup with these beautiful colors. Okay. Looks pretty good. So I'm going to leave this the way it is, let it dry, and this will be pretty just in a frame by itself or with something painted on top of it like a koi fish or something. So there it is. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out the links below, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great week. Bye-bye.